Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Hi everyone, welcome to our video presentation. Today we are going to presenting about assessing listening. But before we dive into our materials, let us introduce ourselves. I am Anindya.
And I am Amanda. We are fourth semester students from English Education Department. Even though we are joining from different place today, we are excited to share this knowledge with all of you. Now, let's start with the introduction of our topics. By Anindya, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Amanda. Okay, so why is assessing listening is so special? Well, listening is an invisible process. We can see someone writing or hear someone speaking, but we can see how someone processes sound in their brain. Our job as teachers is to create tests that make this internal process visible through the student response. It's a challenge, but a very interesting one.
Okay, to make it easier, Brown and Ebewikrama categorize listening into four types. First, intensive, which is all about the teeny details like phonemes or grammar. Second, responsive, which is a quick back and forth like greetings. The third, selective, this is when you listening for specific info, like catching a flight number at the airport. And last, extensive, where you listening to long stories of lecturers to get the big pictures. Now, how do these translate into skill? And India will explain.
Okay, exactly. These types are supported by two types of skills, micro skill and macro skill. The micro skill is are the foundation, like recognizing words, boundaries, or word stress. Meanwhile, micro skill are more complex. It's about understanding the speaker's intention, the context, and even reading between the lines or inferring meaning. A good test should cover both.
Now, let's get practical. How do we test this? For intensive text, we might use paraphrase recognition. For selective text, a classic choice is a listening clause, where students fill in the gaps. If we want the tense extensive listening, we can see dictation or ask them to summarize a podcast. Each text serves a different purpose depending on your learning goal.
Okay, next. So, in conclusion, assessing listening is about matching the right test with the right skill. Whether it's micro or macro, the goal is to see how well our students understand the language in action.
We hope this short presentation helps you understand assessing listening better. Thank you so much for your attention.
Okay, guys. Goodbye, everyone. Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Like cherry blossoms blooming in the mountain in the early spring.